This is a quick review of the StripLULA by Butler Creek. It's a great little invention. It's cheap, compact, and reliable. I always keep it in my range bag. You never know when you need it. It's pretty self-explanatory in how to use it. It feeds 10 rounds at a time on a stripper clip, or you can feed it one by one with loose rounds. You can buy it on Amazon for about $25. If you shop around Black Friday, you can probably find it for 18 ship from Cabela with a free shipping coupon. It pops up every once in a while. I suggest removing that keychain loop at the bottom. It gets in the way when you're trying to unload your magazine.